So I have just started the clean. It was charging for a long time and now it has started the cleaning. I have selected the auto mode and the power mode is eco. Eco is the least minimum power. Then comes normal and then comes turbo. So this is in eco mode right now. The option I have selected is whole cleaning. So it will do sweeping, that is vacuum part, as well as mopping. If you can see, it is going around the nooks and corners. There is pretty good gap, so it has gone under the sofa. It is cleaning under the sofa, up onto the wall. Please excuse my video skills, they are not very good. What I have done is I have removed the chairs from inside the dining table for it to clean properly. I have a little kid who spills a lot of food while eating, so there will be a lot of food particles in and around the dining table. I have removed the chairs from inside so that it can clean under the dining table properly. You can see it is picking up all the dust. If I remove the chair, probably so what it has done, I think, is it has first gone and cleaned all the edges and then it will start in the center. You can see it. It's going under the shoe rack. See, if you see here, there are a lot of things. There's a sofa, there's a guitar kept, there's a pot. So, giving it structure, I don't think it can go there. And since some mud had fallen out of the pot when I watered it, what I did was manually with a broom, I removed all the dust from the corner and put it in the center for it to clean. And now it's nicely cleaned all that dust. If you can see, it's about started cleaning all the dust. If you see, it has pretty smart room mapping. It has saved its map. It doesn't bump around much. So it knows there is a center table here. So now you can see it has completed the hall and it has gone in the kitchen. In the kitchen, since it cannot go under the fridge and under the washing machine, again I have manually removed all the dust with a broom and put it in the center, as you can see. Now it's going around collecting everything as usual. First it does the edges, the corners. Even the tiny brush, as you can see, it is cleaning in that small gap between the trolley walls and the floor. Yeah, it kind of drags the floor mats, so it's advisable to remove them. It's going back, it is cleaning the kitchen. So what I have observed is, in the eco mode, that is the lowest mode, the suction is not very great. It is better in the normal mode. It is one notch higher than the eco mode. But since I wanted to test its battery duration and all, I have switched on the eco mode and how well it cleans in the eco mode. So suction is definitely lower in the eco mode. So maybe you will have to go for normal mode for this kind of cleaning, or maybe even turbo mode. It's not bad, but somebody who is very freak when it comes to cleanliness may not be very happy with it.